Unbox pa tayo ng gifts sa event natin yesterday. Mga nag-invite. Alexa, lower the volume. Ala, dami nag-invite. Wait lang. Hi guys, hello. Bakit ang lighting? Pero I'm tamad na kasi guys, quick live lang to. Hi guys, good evening. Guys, I'm about to leave for Mount Pulag. Punta na ako ng Mount Pulag at 11 PM. So, paalis na ako. Pero I wanted to live before I left kasi mag-unbox pa tayo ng gifts. Ang dami dito, tingnan nyo. Ang dami. So, alam mo, gusto kong ayusin yung lighting. Parang hindi ko bet. Wag na. Okay na yan. Okay guys, should we start? Start na ba tayo? Kasi quick live lang to eh. So I fucked up. Two hands on me, I'm stuck, baby. No, bear. Should we ba? I miss you guys. Kamusta kayo? Ano ba mga ganap nyo? Wait lang ah. What is happening sa life nyo guys? I've been busy with school lang. Alam nyo, every time di ako nagla-live, same lang naman yung reason ko. Busy sa school, busy sa work, and yeah, same lang din. Nothing new with me. But I'm happy. I'm happy kasi I saw yung mga Kinsay siblings din again kagabi. Saya ng bonding namin. Like we really, na-miss ko yan, yung parang chill bonding lang with you guys. Kumain lang kami, nag-games, nag-raffle din. Super fun. So, shout out sa Kinsay siblings. I had so much fun yesterday. Miss ko kayo. I miss seeing you guys in real life. Sana magkita tayo soon, guys. Go under my back. Yeah. Should we unbox the gifts na ba? Should we ba? Di ka nanood ng Plus 63? No, actually, all my friends are going to Plus 63 mamaya, guys. They're gonna watch Kelani concert sa Pasay. Pero di ako makasama because I'm going to Mount Pulag. Diba? So, yung alis namin is 11 PM tonight para yung dating namin around 5 AM or 5 AM sa Baguio. And then from Baguio, sasakay kami sa isa pang bus. And then we'll arrive in Benguet ata at 8 or ganyan. Pero before I leave nga, I want to unbox. By the way, sorry my eyes are so red. I just woke up actually. It took a nap. But anyway, ayan. I'm excited. Kaya I'm leaving now because yung biyahe namin, I think in total 8 hours. So joiner, yeah. Oh, wait. Important text. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I'm joining, joiner kami ng friends ko. So, kasama ko naman friends ko, pero we're joining another tour with different people who we don't know. But anyway, guys, before I leave, kasi wala akong signal for I think 3 days. Yung balik ko pa Tuesday night. Kaya gusto ko na mag-live ngayon para mag-thank you sa mga Kinsay siblings for the gifts. So, mag-unbox pa tayo. Let's go! Anyway, I miss you guys so much. Dami dito, parang 10. Okay, unbox na tayo. Bakit ng lighting guys? Sorry. But yes, okay. This is from Jada. Jada Eilish, LA. Thank you. This is books. Dude. Yeah, you guys know na nasa reading era na ako ngayon. Alam nyo, pag after class, pumunta ako sa Sunken Garden, I'm reading a book lang after class or in between breaks. So, thank you. The courage to be disliked. Ay, ganda na ito. I decided to live life as me. Baganda to, parang mga self-help books. Uy, thank you ah. Thank you so much, Jada, and there's a note. I'm gonna read this pagbalik ko. I love you so much, Jada. I'm gonna read your letter. Thank you so much. I love you. Super thanks, Gabi. Guys, thank you, Kinsai siblings. I had so much fun. This one is from Jean. Love you, Mommy Jean. Love you. Ang saya niya. Jada, I love you so much. Thank you. It means a lot to me because I've been reading a lot of poetry din and mga self-help stuff. So thank you. Mommy Jean. Thank you. Ooh, it's shades. Baka I can bring this, no? Baka I can wear this sa hike ko. Sa Mount Pulag. Let me try it, man. Oh, I think it's too stiff to wear. This is nice. Thank you. Next. By the way, I'm playing Tate McRae's new album in the background. It's really good. Ikaw lang ata na kapag I love you. Nagsag-live talaga siya, di ba? I did it for you guys. Actually, I didn't want to live kanina, pero sabi ko, oh my God, nag-promise ako eh. So, I'm gonna live for you guys. This one, baka sa loob. Lasing mo si Ate Jean. Did you guys drink pa when I left? This one is from Leia. Yung mga Leias from Leyte. Sila dalawa palagi. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Ooh, this is so nice. It's a polo shirt. I like the design. I'm gonna open this pagbalik ko rin. I'm gonna try it on. Thank you. Next, we have Wahi, can you recommend your first tattoo? Something Taylor related. Sure. What's your favorite album ba? Why do I look like guy? I look like shit tonight. Sorry, kasi di ako nag-ayos kasi I'm gonna be on a sleeper bus. So sabi ko, I want ayos na. I'm gonna sleep naman eh. Tsaka I'm so excited kasi guys, first time ko mag long biyahe sa bus. I think yung pinaka-long biyahe ko sa bus is pa-LU lang, which is like 4 hours. Ito like 8 hours siya. And then, like, I'm gonna be in a bed, like sleeper bus. So, I'm excited. This one... Yeah, This one is from Tubbs. I love you, Tubbs. It's mga reed diffusers. Perfect para sa kwarto. Thank you guys. Lahat ng mga candles and mga oils na binibigyan niyo sa akin, I use it. It's all around my condo. So thank you guys. Next. Done na pala to. Inabot kami 4 AM kanina. Saya naman. This one is from Lila. I love you. Ay, wait. It's the shirt, by the way. I got a Kinsai shirt. Thank you. I'm gonna sleep in that. Oh, oy. There's cookies. I'm gonna bring this to lang so I can eat it on the way. Thank you, Lila. I love you. There's a letter. I'm gonna read all the letters pagbalik ko. This one's from Ate Arlene. Grabe guys, may mga dumayo pag galing Laguna, Batangas. Grabe kayo. I love you guys. Na-miss ko. Tsaka alam nyo, to be honest guys, parang bumalik yung gana ko sa pag-live when I saw everyone again. Sabi ko, wow. Like, kasi syempre pag through live, hindi mo ma-feel or makikita yung mga reaction sa mga tao, sa mga sinasabi mo. You know, I just read it. Pero iba pa rin like when I'm talking to you guys in real life. Parang bumalik yung gana ko and I remembered how good it felt to talk to you guys. Kaya as in, I really enjoyed last night. Thank you. Super. Ooh. It's like that's so cool. Parang ano siya. And it lights up. That's so nice. Thank you so much. Kainin natin yung cookie. Taste test natin. Chocolate chip. Cookie grabe may guide pa para sa cookies. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. Sarap. How do you like your cookies ba, guys? Because for me, gusto ko thin siya and chewy and a bit crunchy. Not too chewy na parang bread na siya. Ito perfect talaga. Wow. That's so good, bro. Thank you. I love this. Ibang level ang wow. Tapos ang funny pa kasi may pag-games din sila. I had fun. Ang sarap pa, wait lang. From Soufflé. Gagi, sarap. Legit. And I'm picky sa cookies. Thank you guys, I love you. This one is from Reds Mendoza of Singapore. I love you. It's a candle. Guys, thank you. Alam niyo, sobrang mahal talaga ng candles. And I light a candle almost every day. And ang bilis ma-run out. And ang gasto. So thank you guys. I love getting candles. Bango. Bango. Parang spa. Super happy talaga ako sa candles and yung cookie, grabe. And nasira din yung diet ko kagabi, guys, because grabe yung handa nila para sa akin. Like, grabe yung eye bags ko. Kulang ako sa tulog eh. Sisig, lechon paksiw. Lechon paksiw ba yan? Not sure. Dami, may pizza, may pansit, lumpia. Parang birthday ko lang. I bought these from TikTok shop. Don't buy yet, guys, kasi wala pa sa yellow basket ko. Nagbenta pa, no? In my affiliate era. Metro Sunnies. Yung cookies, guys, is from Soufflé. Okay, it's from Johan. Si Latina. I love you guys. Thank you. Love you so much, Johan. Ooh, it's shorts. Perfect. Ay, shorts ba to? I need ano. Oh, bottoms din to. Yeah, I need more bottoms, guys. Yung mga shorts and stuff. How do I open this? Wait, let me open it muna. Same angle. Yeah, this is from TikTok shop. Johan, thank you, ah. Metro Sunnies pala. The shirt, gift to. Matchy kami ni Gel and Bella. Trio shirt to namin ni Gel and Bella. Binigay ni Migo and Zoe sa amin nung Christmas. Bershka ata to. Perfect. Alam niyo, I really need shorts. And, you know, I always wear shorts to school. Kasi when I go to campus, parang ang init. So, ayoko mag-pants. Kaya, thank you guys. Johan, I love you. Thank you. Isang good luck para sa quiz bukas. Good luck. I love you. Thank you. Okay. Meron pa ba? Wala na ata. I can't wait to read the books from Jada. And smell all the candles. Thank you guys. And the cookies. Grabe Lila. Ang sarap ng cookies. Super. Same eyeglasses. Nice. Grabe guys. I should give now. Para may tumira. Hoy, di ah. Ay, meron pa. Meron pa. Meron pa pala. Wait lang. Oh, I needed a new one, guys. Yung mga headbands na binigay nyo, parang mag-give up na siya. So, thank you kasi I need more. This is so cute. It's a bunny. Thank you. I'll bring this na lang to Mount Pulag kasi I brought one, but I'll bring this one na lang. Wait lang guys, medyo mahirap. Alexa, what time is it? 9:51. Okay, alis ko dito 10. Wait lang guys, malapit na. Kamusta naman kayo? Miss niyo ba ako? Siyempre, and I miss you guys too. Speak Now inspired album tats. Ooh. Speak Now. Ano ba yung mga iconic things sa Speak Now ba? Wait, ito na guys. One more. Speak Now. Ano ba yung mga iconic sa Speak Now? Dear John, Enchanted, Long Live. Ooh, I would do a tattoo that just says Long Live. Like this. That, like let's write Long Live, or in cursive, like Long Live. You're cute yan. That means a lot to the Swiftie community rin. Last Kiss, ang lungkot naman. Ito. It's a necklace with my name on it. That's so cool. I wanna try wearing it now. Love your album reviews. Thank you, Eme. Eme lang to know. Oh, it's a bracelet pala. Guys, it has my name. Look. You see it ba? There. So cool. I'm gonna try it nga. Here up. Wait lang. Ito na lang. Thank you. I love it. Thank you so much. Sarap ng cookies. Grabe. I'm gonna bring this to Mount Pulag. Anyway, guys, I'm leaving at 10, so I'm gonna end the live. Prepare na to leave. I'll see you guys when I get back. Parang pumayat ka. Thank you. Sipag ko mag-gym lately. But these cookies are ruining my diet. Grabe. Juju, thank you. Anita, thank you. Grabe, guys, totoo yung kwento. Yung waistline ni Anita, 23.5 talaga. Actually, parang 13.5. Grabe. Si Reg yun. Diba si Anita? Si Regine. Oo nga. Sorry. Sabog na. Kulang ako sa tulog, guys. Alam nyo, nung umuwi ako nun, kailangan ko pa mag-work. And nalasing ako. Actually, guys, I'll reveal it. Nalasing ako kagabi. With the May nag-comment dito, hala 46 kaya si... Uy, mag-gaho kayo. I got lasing. And then sabi ko, grabe, ba't nalasing ako? Then naalala ko na ako pala yung tanggero. So actually, kasalanan ko. Pinalasing ko sila, pati yung sarili ko. So anyway, I needed to... What's the Tagalog word when you're gonna wait muna till wala na yung alak sa katawan mo? Kasi in Ilonggo, it's umpawan. What's that in Tagalog kaya? I wanna know the Tagalog word. Basta in Ilonggo, it's like maumpawan. Hulas. Papuhulaya. So I made hulas until like 3 a.m. because I need to work. And then nag-edit ako hanggang 7 a.m. Then I woke up kasi may meeting ako ng 12. Then nakatulog ako ulit. And then I packed pa. Grabe. Kaya ready na ako to sleep buong biyahe. I'm excited. Kasi naman yung shot mo. Pero mabilis, diba? Totoo. Guys, yung tagay ko, 1 whole shot glass per person. Sunod-sunod. Pakabait mo. Thank you, Rakishin. Kaya nga, Yaya, thank you for your gifts, ha. palagi kayo ni isang Leia din nagpapadala ng gift sa akin palagi. Mahal ko kayo, na-appreciate ko yan. Hirap mo pala kainuman. Yeah. Bilis ng ikot. Imagine guys, lagi akong umiinom I drink a lot. Pero hindi talaga tumataas yung tolerance ko. Weak shit pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And hindi ko gets kung bakit. Kasi lagi akong umiinom. Pero guys, pag 3-4 shots, patay na talaga ako. I don't know why. Ang funny nga eh. Anyway guys, I have to end na talaga. I'm gonna prepare. I don't want to be late. Kasi may schedule yung bus. I love you guys. Alam, na-miss ko to. Parang ayoko nang tumuloy sa Mount Pulag. Oh, miss ko kayo. Sobra. That on the fastest way to get rid of acne. May date ako bukas. You know yung hack ko if I have acne, like I have this ngayon? Put a pimple patch on top and then onting powder para di siya halata. And then at the same time, healing din yung pimple mo. Or concealer, if meron kayong concealer, lagay nyo sa taas ng pimple patch. So sobrang kinginiwagi pa ni Sir, kasama niya kami umihi. No love, I know love. Also, I was researching on like what to do when you hike in a mountain in the Philippines. Kasi alam ko like, if you're gonna like step on certain weeds, like you should say tabi-tabi po, ganun. Anyway, ang dami sinasabi, malilate na ako. Bye guys, I love you. I love you, kiss. Grabe, ang sarap ng cookies. Lila, I love you.